14 people, including a toddler, are in hospital this hour after two TTC buses collided into each other in the north end of the city. It happened in the underground bus-only tunnel at the Wilson station late this morning.
At the mouth of a tunnel leading into the Wilson subway station, there's lots of shattered glass all over the road. That's where two TTC buses crashed into each other head-on. Constable Hugh Smith with Toronto Police Traffic Services says investigators have found no reason to lay criminal charges.
Just shortly after 11 o'clock this morning, about 10 after 11, we got a call for two buses in collision here in the lower subway portion, roadway, connecting Wilson Station. What we have is a westbound bus coming down the ramp through the roadway. 20-kilometer posted zone. There is a stop sign posted at the top of the ramp, as well as a convex mirror at the top. The driver came down through the curve. Looks like he's come over the line about a foot or two into the oncoming portion of the roadway. There was a eastbound bus negotiating out through the subway, which the driver failed to account for. And there was a collision to the left front corner of those buses, extensive damage to the front cabin portions and the driver's sections of the bus. 31 people were reported on board for both buses. 14 have been transported to hospital with minor abrasions and lacerations in regards to, again, whether they're standing or sitting, and the support bars that were there. It's an internal investigation going on right now with TTC. Traffic Services is here for the collision and for the injuries, and if there was any other evidence of criminality, which we're not looking at right now. So there's no charges on behalf of Traffic Services, but there may be charges with the internal investigation through TTC's policy and procedures.
Were any of the bus drivers hurt?
I got reports that one of the drivers, I think, leaving one heading eastbound coming out of the subway, was also one of the 14 transported to hospital for observation. And again, of the total 31 that were on board.
What are the two buses that crashed? The route number?
The
route number for the bus?
The route?
Yeah.
I don't have that yet, nor do I have the plate. So only because I haven't been, they haven't separated it to get it. TTC will be able to provide that, as well as any other part of their investigation with the driver. Again, it's internal. It's not. It's a private property, and again, there's no criminal element here.
What can an internal investigation mean? What are they looking at then?
Well, they've got procedures. We've got speed limits posted. There's a stop sign, and they have to explain why the bus is approached over. If it's not driver error, then they're going to have to look at if there's some type of mechanical error, and that'll be through a commercial motor vehicle inspection also.
Were there black boxes on the buses?
As far as video, there should be video that's available, and that'll be part of their internal investigation. Seems how we're not looking at any charges ourselves.
Is service affected? Bus service?
No. Right now they're being rerouted from the subway. They have a private road on the other side. That's a good thing about private property, that they can reroute. It's not going to affect normal service right now.
Is that why no charges? Because it's private property?
That's correct. It's certain charges with impairments and so forth, which criminal, or it could be anywhere. We're not looking at that. It's private property damage at this point.
In your opinion, because you do this kind of thing and see accidents all the time, what do you think happened here?
I just went through it.